Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of replacing the charging port on your Dell Vostro 5000 series laptop. Before we begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static damage to your components. Start by powering off your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, remove the battery if your model allows it. This is crucial for your safety and to avoid any electrical issues during the repair. Now, flip the laptop over and locate the screws securing the back panel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and place them in a safe location. Once all screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging the clips. With the back panel removed, you will see the internal components of your laptop. Locate the charging port, which is typically situated near the power input area. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to clean the area around the port using a soft brush or compressed air to remove any dust or debris that may have accumulated. Next, you will need to disconnect the old charging port. Look for the connector that links the port to the motherboard. Carefully detach this connector using your spudger, ensuring you do not apply excessive force that could damage the motherboard. Once the old port is disconnected, take your new charging port and align it with the connector on the motherboard. Press it firmly into place until you hear a click, indicating it is securely connected. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get the help you need. After securing the new port, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Start by replacing the back panel, ensuring all clips are properly aligned. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier, tightening them securely but not overly so, as this could strip the threads. Finally, if you have removed the battery, reinsert it and connect your laptop to a power source. Power it on and test the new charging port to ensure it is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide collection and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your laptop repaired without the hassle of calls or travel. Remember, we always provide a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.